Hi guys, this is Kim from Creative DIY Purpose Design. Today we're going to be creating this beautiful fall banner using Canva. So let's get started. We're going to come up and click on Create a Design, scroll down and click on Custom Size. We're going to use the standard sheet of paper, which is 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Click on Create New Design. When I was creating this banner, I have no idea what I typed in to find this brown paper banner. If you would like to use the same brown paper bag banner that I used, I'll walk you through the process. Otherwise, you can pick a different one and skip ahead. I had to go back in through the design. And when you click on the three dots up here, it'll tell you the artist up here. And it will also give you different keywords and you can type them in. I tried typing all of these in and still couldn't find it. So I imagine how I did originally find it was I typed in something under the elements and then probably clicked on one of the magic recommendations. But that's okay because we're going to find it under the illustrator's name. Now I did click on both of these and I still couldn't find it. But if you type in the plus sign, the @ sign, NA, DIY art illustration. And then we're going to scroll down. It's taking a while for my images to load. And you've got to scroll down quite a bit. Definitely if you want to just type in banner and find your own order, that might make it easier, and I totally understand. It should be right there. It is. So it's down quite a bit. You'll see I had to scroll all the way down to the bottom, but I love this. Look at the detail. There we go. So we'll go with about a 6.5 by almost 7. So the next thing that we're going to do is add a page. After we copy this, we're going to add a page, scroll down, paste. That way they're all going to be the same size. Banner. So we're going to make 6 pages because we want to have 6 pennants on our banner. So next we're going to head over to the left hand column, still in the elements section. If you're not, just click on elements, come up to the search bar and type in pumpkins. Then we're going to scroll down, click on graphics to narrow down our search. We're going to go with these. All right, now we're going to come down. Now for this one, we're going to come over to the left-hand column, click on text, and click on add a heading. We're going to add the letter F. And I did do it in capital. We'll bring it up about the size that we want it. Then I want to make the text box a little bit smaller and move it over to the left-hand side. I'm going to also change the font. We're going to copy and paste. The reason that we're doing this, even though we're changing the letter, is it'll keep the same size. See how there we had 434 and here we have it as well. So we're going to come back over and we're going to add all of our elements now. So let's pull up on this magic recommendation. Let's go with this one. Come up to the F. And, all right, let's add this one. You can bring the letter to the back or pop it up more towards the front. I'm going to position mine in front and we're going to bring it down just so it doesn't take over the whole letter. All right, so that's good. For each letter, we're going to repeat the process. We're going to choose one of the elements, pop it onto the page, size it. Then I am coming up to position and popping it forward. on to our final letter. And there we go. Okay, so let's try to pick a color now that we have all of our elements on here. Let's come over to the left-hand side. We're going to see our photo colors. Let's pick that berry color. Make sure that we're clicked on the letter. For this next step, I've decided to try one more element. I'm going to see if we can add some polka dots. I'm going to scroll down until you find something. All right, so I like these. I think this helps to add some texture. We're going to come up to the upper right-hand bar. We're going to go to, let's go to 67 for transparency, then go to position and push them backward. I'm going to come back over and copy, and we're going to paste, but you still have to send it backward. Again, you're going to paste and then send it backwards. It's done. You can come up and name it anything that you choose. I typed in fall banner. And then head over and be sure to download it. And then you're ready to print out on cardstock, punch some holes, add some string, and you've got a fall banner. Friends, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Have a super blessed week. If you haven't already checked out the coordinating fall tags from last Tuesday's video, I'll post that for you here.